So y'all, what we're gonna do next is use some of my everything sauce. I don't know why I took that top off. I'm using some of my everything sauce. That's enough. I'm gonna mix this up. So you're gonna place this down first. I use some of my everything. Lay that down first. Okay, just lay some on the bottom level. Then you're gonna add some meat. Okay. I'll add a little meat. I'll fix my plate later, okay? I'm gonna put that on there, just like that. Then you're gonna take, you're gonna lay another one on there. You don't even have to press it down. I'm gonna add. Which one? You want a salad or do you want a? Do you want a salad? I'm gonna add a little bit. Or do you want I mean, I'm asking because I got a taco in there already ready. I mean, a potato already ready, or I can make you a Mexican salad.
No, just give me that salad.
Okay, it's in the microwave. I'll get it. Hold on, let me scoot y'all back because y'all can't see. I'm doing. You can use 2 if you don't want 3. And it's not so much a lot of stuff on this top. This is where you're going to add your extra little sauce and your cheese. I'm going to top it with cheese. A few onions. That's how we do it. Few black olives. few olives. Jermaine had this. Jermaine liked it. Olives. And you can have you some jalapeno peppers. Hold on, I'm not finished. Let me see. I think I got some. Okay, let me open up these green chives. That's something like Mexican pizza, is it? Okay, Mexican pizza. You gotta add some sour cream. You can put your drizzle of ranch. You can do a dollop of daisy. Do a dollop of daisy. And then we're gonna add some of these green mild child, diced peppers, the mild ones. And then you'll have that, okay? So let me open them up. Aren't we doing good? And I did use some of my everything sauce. Dandelion, I know, right? I'm looking for my rag, because I'm going to display everything, okay? I'm going to get everything right. I need a bigger plate. But I'm gonna have everything right. You don't want to lose that meat. You don't want to lose nothing. You can add as much cheese as you want, okay? Who said where hasn't Jermaine had? You better leave Sugar alone. You better leave Sugar alone before he gets you. Like that song said, I'm gonna get you, sucker. But auntie, make him stop. Behave, Calvin. It's got to be you or Willie. One or the other. All right. Let's get this plated. Trying to get this open. Okay. Put a little chives on there. Hold on, I'm going to show you this one too. Okay. Let me get that bigger plate. I was supposed to do 3 things. But my husband said just get him one. So just say y'all want to go to a nice restaurant. Demonstration purposes only. Fine, ain't nobody gonna eat all this. I'm almost late for Bible study, but that's normal. I can't blame the cooking demonstration. That would be a lie. All right. Let me see if I can move this onto something else. Hold on. Let me see. I did. I made it. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. And that potato needs some sour cream on it. I got to clean my kitchen and go to Bible study. Y'all don't want me to have Bible study today? Y'all done had enough. I've been having Bible study for this day number 9. We done had Bible study 9 days in a row. So let me show you everything. Okay? Here we go. Excuse me. I can set you on. Don't y'all tell nobody I did that. But it's mine, so I'm going to put it back on him. It could have been worse. Hold on. I'm all right. I'm all right. It's still good. Hold on. It's still pretty. I just moved it a little too much. Hold on. I'm going to fix it. I just lost sour cream. Hold on. I just lost a little cheese. But I'm all right. Hold on. I might not need to set it on the next plate. I might be trying to be too fancy. Hold on. I'm just going to move the camera. I'm just going to move the camera, boss. I almost lost it all, boss. Y'all think that happened because I said we don't need to do Bible study? Ooh-wee. All right. Let's just not try to be... I'm trying to be too fancy. Nobody got no time for that. Let me just show y'all what I made, okay? There you have it, as Willie say. As Cater My Way say, there you have it. Hold on, though. I still wants to lift this up one more time. Lord, lift us up. Here we go. All right. Paula Lomas. Hush. Paula Loman. Look, there you got it. There you go. Ooh, it's busting out the seams. It's so full. Turn it around. That's why she wanted that other place. Y'all leave her alone. She tried. Y'all be just tripping. Y'all know good and well she might miss it. Quick. There you have it. Cater My Way. There you have it. There you have it. That's what I call his slogan. There you have it. That ain't what he said now. For y'all get that's what Mama T I like to hear him say that. I do. I like it. You catch people personality. Good recovery, Danda. Thank you, baby girl. See, Dandelion always on my side. Willie and Jermaine, I'm laughing. But I bet you wouldn't be laughing if you was eating this. Look at that. Get in now. Yep. Who? I'll put another one on the other side. Don't mess with me. Honey, I sure will, but I ain't gonna unfold it. Y'all ain't gonna get me. Let me just squeeze it up on him some kind of way. Let's sit her up there too. Who want them? Come get them. Yum, yum. Come get you some. I ain't even finished all of the ones I wanted to do. But that's okay, because y'all laughed at me. Now you laugh at this, you ain't getting none. Yeah, I feel like busting loose. Busting loose. Get in there. And on top of that, you can top yours with some chives if you want to. Y'all so sad. Y'all so sad. Let me go and put this right here. Let me put my sauce right here for my picture. Everything ain't everything without the everything. Get your everything together. Get your life together. It might be 54, but I know how to cook myself out of a kitchen, though. Way down in the country deep. Mama Tracy cooked herself out the kitchen, you see. She do her thing and you do yours. You came here together so you could have fun. You and me going one-on-one. So that's it and that's all. Y'all laughed at me and made me late for Bible study. So guess what I'm going to say? I see y'all later, alligators, because you ain't going to come to Bible study. And Bible study is already done started. And I am the teacher and I'm not there. But it's 4:30. That's all I know. And I got me something to drink because I ain't hungry. And then I got to come clean this kitchen up. Thank y'all. Thank y'all so much. I'm so glad we had this time together. Just to have a laugh. Or sing a song. I'm a silly self. See, we just got started. And before you know it, comes the time I've got to say, I'm going to Bible study. So long. And while y'all was laughing at me, go watch my reel when I make it come real. So I see you later. Alligators.